National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Jefferson County in southern Oklahoma, southeastern Kingfisher County in central Oklahoma, Garvin County in southern Oklahoma, northwestern Love County in southern Oklahoma, eastern Grady County in central Oklahoma, Oklahoma County in central Oklahoma, southwestern Logan County in central Oklahoma, Canadian County in central Oklahoma, McLean County in central Oklahoma, eastern Stevens County in southern Oklahoma, Carter County in southern Oklahoma, Cleveland County in central Oklahoma, western Murray County in southern Oklahoma, southwestern Pottawatomie County in central Oklahoma, until 10:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 9:27 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 3 miles north of Concho to 8 miles west of Foster to 7 miles northwest of Nacona, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Oklahoma City, Norman, Edmond, Moore, Midwest City, Ardmore, Del City, El Reno, Guthrie, New Castle, Blanchard, Falls Valley, Purcell, Davis, Yukon, Bethany, Mustang, Choctaw, War Acres, and the Village. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 26 and 162. Interstate 40 between mile markers 119 and 171. Interstate 44 between mile markers 85 and 145. Interstate 240 between mile markers 1 and 16. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that was a severe thunderstorm warning for central Oklahoma just issued. We'll take a look out front right quick, see what's going on. It's really nothing yet, except some thunder in the distance. It ain't here yet. Yes, it's very dark, I know. I might have a second video over the thunderstorm passing over this town. I'm in Little Axe right now, actually. It is 2/19/2017, and the time is, I'm guessing 9:30, maybe a little bit later. Alright, well, if I do have another video, then please check it. It will have a number 2. It'll be the same name, just have a number 2 after it. Thank you. Please like it.